YouTube. In this video I'll walk you through how I built this manhole style thing, babidi-boop, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. Anyway, so the design of this has some use, but mostly aesthetics, or I don't know. It's like a 1mm piping, so it's very thin, so this pizza heats very quickly, and just making the thing go in loops and turns and having many pipes just helps having more surface area to the room that really, you know, heats this thing up, because this thing is like making me sweat. Like in the video, I have it like set up to sections. You should be able to jump from one step to another without, you know, losing track of where you are. But that's about it. Just enjoy your video, skip back and forth as much as you want, and I'll catch you in the end of the video. Yeah, so they fit on there and they will all go up. Definitely matches the angle and the width up there, and then I'll just, maybe I'll put it there even, that's gonna be a bit better. Then I'll just stomp it into the pipe so I can get the exact point A to point B. Then it doesn't matter what the pipes look on the way to there. In order to get like these super, oh my god, super tight fit-ups, I did not do that in the beginning. That's what you see the difference there when I just saw them. So totally worth it. Takes a lot of time, but because from the bandsaw they come out like this. So before I did it with a burr grinder, the inside, and just run it off the edges a bit on the belt sander, but now put a new belt on and, you know, just some minor burrs, but you know, relatively quick. But of course there's a couple more to do, but I'm okay with this one taking a long time because this is cool. I love it. Well, I'm gonna get back to cutting these. So we're almost done, but I'm about to run out of pipe, so I am doing a plan B. So what I'm gonna do is, here I got some 54mm, this is 51, so ever so slightly bigger, but this is the same piping as that, and it doesn't go in, it's very close though, which is perfect because I just made this thing on the lathe. It's just 51.3, which I pressed in that with my hydraulic press and ooh, is that a tight tolerance? This does not come off like without work. So oh, what the? Unspeakable joy is toning about in my belly right now. So everything is cut. Everything. There's some distortion that I can't really make it like a 100% perfect fit, but like as you see. But that's good enough, because you see they do wobble a little bit, or in this place, and they're gonna move a lot with the welding. Ooh, which is a little scary. So we're a couple of days in. I have been working on the exhaust, you could say, a bit at a time. Haven't really had much time, and also yesterday I was welding quite a lot, and there's a ton of meters. But like, it's cold outside, and welding this much, you know, it's important with good ventilation. And I'm using the 3M's AdFlow, like with the whole fresh air system, but it's still, I feel like it's like smelling of the I don't know, it's the argon or the stainless, but mostly argon, I think. But so I got half of the pipes welded. We got the outer one here and the two right ones here, so it's all around. There is, oh, hold on there. So it's so tight, you know, there's not even a gap. So I'll slam off this plate, and then I can widen them like ever so slightly to get that, but it'll sort itself out when we get there. I'm all geared up, and this is the setup. Got this 3M speed glass, and you know, it's all the tubes on that, so it's a lot of gear, but it's important because, you know, I want to stay alive and create things. Well, oh well, it is completed. One full bottle of argon, and you can see it's all frosty. Right, just to show a bit before I put the stove back in, because you see from the back side, the stove got it's really dark in here. It really sucks, I'm sorry for that. But so you can adjust the height. So, you're still around. Well, thank you for sticking out to the end. So, if you want to see more of this content, you can also follow me on Instagram at Wogelcraft, same as here, and subscribe here to help me grow, help me get around the algorithm and so. And well, I'll see you next time and have a wonderful day.